Hi everybody, in this video we're going to make Trader Joe's Cacio e Pepe Gnocchi. This is your typical Trader Joe's meal out of the bag. This one's Cacio e Pepe Gnocchi. It looks good. Pretty cheap. I think it was like $3.99 at Trader Joe's. This is the back of the bag. And it says rich creamy sauce with provolone and Romano cheeses and whole black peppercorns. That sounds good. Let's make it. So this is how you're gonna make it. Stovetop. Place in a non-stick skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Cook and cover for 3 minutes over a medium-high heat. Remove lid. Lower heat and stir gently for 3 to 4 minutes until cooked thoroughly. Now here, this is what it looks frozen inside of a bag. Okay. So after 3 minutes, you're going to lower the heat, remove the lid, you're going to stir this up. I'm trying to do this with my left hand while I'm recording. You get the idea. Now we're going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes with no lid on. 3 to 4 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Trader Joe's Cacio e Pepe Gnocchi. Alright, that took about 7 minutes. 3 minutes the first time with the lid, and then about 4 minutes with lid off. So the beauty of this dish is that you can add pepper if you let's say go for a taste. Here's what it looks like. If you go for a taste and you think, where's my camera? Here it is. And you think there's no enough pepper, I need more pepper, you can just add more pepper to it at any time in this cooking process. So that's the beauty of it. All right, let's take a bite and see what happens. Okay. It's very soft, cheesy. Pepper's coming through now. I can taste the pepper. It's actually pretty good. Good sized portion. It'll feed a man, that's for sure. Very tasty. Cheese taste. Whatever cheese they put in here is really good. Pepper is on the lighter side, but still peppery enough that it makes cacio e pepe. I would add just a little bit of more pepper to this dish. It would be perfect. It's actually very good. I did 7 minutes, and I think I overcooked it a little bit, because it says you can do it on the back end, you can do 3 to 4 minutes. I would recommend three with the lid on, 3 minutes with the lid off, it should be perfect. 6 minutes. This is very good. This is another winner from Trader Joe's. This is for 4.5 out of 5. Thank you guys for tuning in to Parks and Pizza. Let me get another bite. This is good. I'll see you guys in the next video.